Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm going to answer the question, is making money online easy? Now here's the truth. All right, I'm gonna keep it real. It really depends on what you're willing to do and how much money you're trying to make. All right, so if you're just trying to earn some extra cash, like an extra 50 bucks, an extra $100 a month, then that's just super easy to do. You could do things like paid survey sites, sites like Paid Viewpoint, Prolific, Pinecone Research, sites like that. You can sign up for absolutely free. You want to check your email account all the time, see when there's a survey available, and at the end of the month you might realize, hey man, you got extra 30-40 bucks doing that. Then there's other things out there like they call them micro job sites. All right, just Google micro jobs. I know Amazon had one called MTurk. All right, this is where you sign up and you just do just easy stuff like go like a post or something, or go comment on something, and it's just super easy. But I mean, you're getting like pennies. All right, just like you might get like 5 cents to do something, or 3 cents. Yes, the money adds up over time, but you know, it's not a lot of money. All right, but it's super easy to do. Now you might be one of the people to be like, make money online easy. I was talking about like, yo, I'm trying to get like 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 a month. That's what I'm talking about. Is that easy? Well, that depends once again on, you know, what are you willing to do? Because, for example, a lot of people make money online doing affiliate marketing. That's one of the most popular ways. A lot of people talk about it. And some people be like, man, affiliate marketing is so easy to do. Other people like, man, affiliate marketing hard as hell. I can't get no sales. I can't promote nothing. I can't get nobody to my offers. I don't know what to do. Affiliate marketing sucks. Then you got other people who are making 10,000 a month, right? So is it easy? The concept is easy, but you got to actually know, you know, what you're getting into. You need to do your research on whatever it is you're trying to do, and it could be easy. For example, YouTube, right? I know you know this. There's YouTubers out there who's making $10,000-$20,000 a month just from YouTube, right? So is it easy? You know what I mean? It just depends. Is it easy to those people, or did they have to grind to get to that point, right? So it really depends on what you're trying to do and how much money you're trying to make. Now, to sum this up, in my experience, the more money you're trying to make, the more, I won't say harder, but the more effort you're gonna have to put in. Because I don't want to say nothing hard, because it's not really hard to make money online. It just really depends on what you're getting into, you know. And another thing is, sometimes what make things not easy for people is because they're getting into things that they don't really want to do. For example, if you see all these people making money on YouTube, right? You're like, ooh, I could do that, right? Like, that looks dope. But you don't want to shoot videos. You don't want to edit videos. You don't want to research to do videos. Then YouTube is probably going to be difficult for you. It's not going to be easy. But somebody like me who enjoys, you know, shooting videos and editing, YouTube is easy for me. It might not be easy for you. Now, you might be a Facebook person, right? So you might be like, yo, I want to make money from Facebook, and so I'm going to get into affiliate marketing, and I'm just going to, you know, post content on Facebook. I'm going to join groups. I'm going to do Facebook Reels, and that might be your thing, right? That might be your thing. But then again, if you don't like doing videos, you might not want to do Facebook Reels. But you get my point, right? So you really got to figure out, you know, how much money you want to make, right? And you know, the process that you need to go through to make that money. Like, are you into it? Can you do it? are you willing to do it? That's going to determine whether or not it's easy. All right, so keep that in mind. Just another example. I always talk about garage selling as a great side hustle for people, right? Especially new people to making money online. This is where you just go to different garage sales in your area, or you can travel. It's up to you. You find stuff really cheap, buy it at garage sales, you take it home and you resell it on places like eBay and Facebook Marketplace, right? Now, some people would love that, right? And that would be so easy for a lot of people. Maybe you might be like, ooh, that's my thing. That's my thing right there. So that might be easy to you. And there's people out there making $5,000-$10,000 a month by doing that method. Garage selling, taking stuff home and reselling it, and they made a business out of it. Now, is it work involved? Yes, right? But can it be easy? Yes. Can you make a lot of money from that? Yes, right? So it's really on you. But at the end of the day, making money online can be easy. It really is all on you and what you want to do. Now, if you want to check out one of the easiest ways to start earning a monthly income just by sharing a free app, you need to watch this video right here, right now.